When I think back of how it all started, I'd love to say it was part of a carefully constructed strategic plan, but it wasn't. It was circumstantial. The role that I'd had before DSW was working for a company called Friends Provident. Fantastic company, very ethical organisation formed by Quakers. I felt very comfortable working for them. In my role, I'd been appointed to develop a greenfield operation for them. Just me in an office and nobody else, and build up a capability to look after all of the clients that were in South Yorkshire. I learned a lot and I enjoyed my experience there. When they went through a reorganisation, my opportunity was to go down to Colchester within that. And I'd settled in South Yorkshire with my wife and my 4 very young kids at the time, and decided that wasn't for me. And therefore, what could I do? And I was encouraged by a brilliant guy called Steve Williams, sadly no longer with us. Steve was a founding director with me, and he was an absolute inspiration and showed a lot of belief and conviction in me to be able to replicate the successes that I'd enjoyed at Friends Provident, but in my own business, or our own business. And that's how DSW started. No great clarity of vision, no great clarity of what we were going to do, other than an absolute belief that we could build something that could be, hopefully, enough to feed us both and the families, and build from there.